Assalamu alaikum. This is Nazmin Jannat Munni, maths teacher of International Honors School. I will take today class 8 versions class, chapter 4. You can see we have already written on the chapter 4, algebraic formula and application. Okay. In day-to-day life, application and uses of algebra are widely in practice in solving mathematical problems. Any general rule or corollary expressed by algebraic symbols is known as algebraic formula, or in short, formula. Different types of mathematical problems can be solved by algebraic formula. The first 4 formula and the corollaries related to them have been discussed in detail in class 7. In this chapter, those are repeated and some examples are given to show their applications so that the students can acquire sufficient knowledge regarding their applications. That means we have already learned about 4 formula in class 7. Today we will learn more formula in class 8, and we have to learn the applications of the formula. Okay. In this chapter, finding of the squares and cubes of binomial and trinomial expressions, middle term, distribution factorization by the use of algebraic formula, and by their help how to find HCF and LCM of algebraic expression have been discussed in detail. That means after solving this chapter, we will be able to know about how to find out the square of binomial and trinomial expressions and simplify and evaluate by applying algebraic formula. At the same time, we will be able to find the cube of binomial and trinomial expressions, simplify and evaluate by applying algebraic formula, and factorize the expressions with the help of middle term distribution. Finally, we will find out the HCF and LCM of algebraic expression. These things we will learn from this chapter. So before starting the chapter, I just want to mention that we have to memorize the formula. There are lots of formula and corollary given in chapter 4. So if you want to solve this chapter, you have to memorize all the formula and corollaries at your home. Okay, I told you before that we have learned 4 formulas in class 7. So we will solve today's problems by using that formula what we have learned from class 7. Okay, if you turn on the page of your maths book, which is 55, you can see 2 number simplified. Turn on page number 55, please. Page 55, 2 number, which is simplify. Okay, simplify. A number. The question is x plus y whole square plus 2 into x plus y into x minus y plus x minus y whole square. This is the question. Okay, here are up to 2 expressions, right? So we have to simplify this expression. How can we do it? Did you remember that we have learned a formula like a plus b whole square is equal to what? Can you tell me, anyone? A plus b whole square is equal to what? Oh miss, I forgot. Okay, no problem. The answer is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is the formula. We have to memorize it. Without memorizing these things, we cannot solve the problem of this chapter. Okay, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. If you look at the board, there are some expressions are given, right? If you take x plus y as a and x minus y as b, read aloud. A square plus 2, at the place of x plus y we will read it as a, 2a, and here what will be? X minus y is equal to, if I take it as b, b. You can speak loudly, no problem. 2ab plus b square. Okay? That means a square plus 2ab plus b square, we can form this formula by using this expression. Okay? We can solve this problem in two processes. Easily we can solve this problem in two processes. If you take, if you want to solve the problem like letting something, it will be easy for you. So I will solve the problem by letting something. Let x plus y is equal to a and x minus y is equal to b. Okay? Now I will write at the place of x plus y as a, at the place of x minus y as b. Okay? So using this expression, I have to write it. At the place of x plus y, what I will write? Tell me. Which thing? X plus y is equal to a. That means at the place of x plus y, I can write a. Here is square. I give the square sign. Then plus. After plus, there is 2. I give 2. Then x plus y. What is the relation between 2 and x plus y? Can anyone tell me? What is the relation? Yeah, exactly, multiply. Very good. Here is a multiplication symbol. You have to assume that. Okay? So you can give the multiply sign or dot sign or nothing. You can give the bracket also. If you give the bracket sign, it I will understand. Here is a multiplication. So I can easily, I will understand. X plus y, at the place of x plus y, I will write a. Okay, and x minus y. What should I write here? Tell me. B, exactly. Very good. Then here is a plus sign. I give the plus sign. Then x minus y. Here is b square. So this expression is similar to all of us, right? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So what can I write at the place of these things? What can I write? Here is the formula. Look at the formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to what? A plus b whole square. Exactly. So at the place of these things, I can write a plus b whole square. Okay. So if you look at this line, a is equal to what? A is equal to x plus y, right? So x plus y. So now I can write at place a x plus y. Can I? Suppose that 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. If I write 6 is equal to 2 multiply right, is it correct or right? Correct or wrong? Yeah, it's right. So at the same time, at the place of a, I can write x plus y because x plus y is equal to a and a is equal to x plus y. I take it. So we can write x plus y at the place of a. Here is the plus sign. I will give here plus sign. Okay. At the place of b, what can I write? X minus y, very good, x minus y. X minus y, give the bracket sign, and here is whole square, whole square. That means I have to use second bracket because I have already used first bracket, right? So I can use here second bracket, and here is a square sign, so I give the square. Clear? Okay. Next line. I have already used second bracket, first bracket here, so I just need to remove this bracket. How can I remove this bracket? Can you tell me? Sorry? Yeah, by multiplying the signs. Exactly. Okay. Here is, you have to assume that here is a plus sign. Okay? That means plus plus, what will be? Plus plus?
Minus.
No.
Plus.
Plus. Plus plus plus. That means we don't need to write plus sign at the first of the line. So I'll write x here. So plus 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 and y. Okay. Here is already a sign given which is plus. If I multiply plus by plus, what will be? Plus. Plus x. Plus minus minus, exactly. There is a basic rules to remember these things. What is the basic rules? The basic rules is, if signs are same, when you are multiplying the same signs, you will get plus. Suppose that minus multiply minus. If you multiply this minus all together, it will be, of course, plus. I told you that if the signs are same, the result will be plus when you are multiplying. If the signs are different, then the result will be minus. Okay? Clear? This is the basic rules. If you remember these things, you can easily multiply the signs. There will be no wrong, inshallah. Okay. Now see. Now we have to add or subtract these things. How can I add? Here is plus x. Here is another plus x. Okay, tell me. Suppose that you have some mangoes, apples and oranges to you. Okay. If I tell you to arrange all these things, what will you do?
Put the separate things.
Exactly. You will put the fruits separately by its characteristics or by its groups. Mangoes all together, oranges all together, bananas all together, right? At the same time, we will do it. How can? X, you have to assume that X is here mango. So you have to keep the mangoes separately. Plus X, plus X, plus X, plus X. Now here is plus Y and here is minus Y. But you have to remember one thing. When you are separating something, you have to bring the variable with its sign, not without its sign. Okay? You have to remember it. When you are adding or subtracting something, you have to separate the variables by its characteristics. So when you are just putting them separately, you have to bring their signs also. See, I write the sign also, plus sign, minus sign. Okay, clear? So here both are plus, sign are same. When signs are same, that time we have to add the numbers. Okay? When signs are same, that time you have to add the number. Is there any number, Nafsin?
1.
Yeah, exactly. Here is 1. 1x. Okay. But we don't write 1. Okay. Here is another 1. So how many ones? How many x are here? 2x. Very good. So I will write here 2x. So finally, I got the addition of it, which is 2x. Now moving on the y. Here is plus y and another is minus y. Okay. Suppose you have one mango and I told you, Nahian, give me your mango please. So you give it to me. Then how many mangoes do you have remaining? No one, right? At the same time, when here is plus y, then I take the minus y, there is no y, 0. That means nothing. Now you can ask me, Miss, why you didn't add these things? Why you didn't add y and y all together? There is the answer, which is when the signs are different. When the signs are different, you cannot add the numbers. When signs are different, you have to subtract these things. Okay? That's why I just subtract these things, plus y and minus y. Finally, I got nothing, 0. Finally, the answer is 2x, and here is a square sign. I give the square sign. Clear? Now, what does it mean? Square, what does it mean? We have to write the inner things in 2 times. This 2 means you have to write the inner thing in 2 times. Suppose that here is 5. That means you have to write the inner things how many times? 5 times, and you have to do multiplication. Okay. So, finally we got here is 2. That means we have to write 2x 2 times. Write it down. Okay. I just write 2 times. Now I have to multiply. 2 2s are 4 and x will be here. When we are multiplying, that time plus index will be what? Plus, exactly. Here is 1, here is another one. So the index will be 2. And the answer is 4x squared. This is the final answer. Now look at the math properly. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Look here. First of all, you have to let these things, x plus y is equal to a, x plus x minus y is equal to b. Okay, remember one thing. If in the question they use variable as x and y, you can let variable as a and b. Okay. If in the question a, b, c are mentioned, you cannot take as when you are letting something as a and b. Okay. Here is x and y, that's why I take a, b. If there is a and b, then I will take x and y. Clear? Now see, first of all you have to let something, then you have to write the expression by letting something using the letting variable, then just addition, subtraction, square, and finally you get the answer. Clear? Okay. B number also same. A related number, B, C and D, E also are same. Now you will tell me what should I do in B number, and I will do. Okay? B. Same rules. Okay. Tell me, what should I write here right now? Exactly, we have to let something. Let 2a plus 3b is equal to, what will you let? A. No, I told you. A and B already used here. So, you cannot take A and B, you can use X. Yeah. then 3b minus a is equal to what? Tell me. Y. Exactly. Very good. Okay. Now I will write this expression here by using x and y, which is x square minus 2, then x, then y plus, here is plus, I write the plus sign, then then what? 3b minus a is equal to what? 3b minus a is equal to y. So I'll write here y. Here is square sign, I give the square sign. Okay. Is it similar to you? X square minus 2ab, 2xy plus y square. What formula is it? No. A minus b whole square. Exactly. Here a is x and b is y. So I write here x minus y whole square. Okay. Now, what should I do? Tell me. Now I will put the value of x. The value of x is 2a plus 3b. So at the place of x I will write 2a plus 3b. Okay, 2a plus 3b. I just write at the place of x 2a plus 3b. Then here is a minus sign. I will give the minus sign. And at the place of y, what I will write? 3b minus a. Here is whole square. So I will use which bracket? Second bracket, because I have already used the first bracket. That's why I use here second bracket and square sign. Okay. So what should I do now? I have to remove this bracket. How can I remove this bracket? By multiplying the signs. Here is a plus sign. So plus 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 2a, then plus what? 3b, right? Okay. Here is minus sign, minus plus minus, exactly 3b, then minus minus plus a. Here is whole square. I will give the whole square sign. What should I do right now? We have to subtract or we have to add something. Okay. Before adding something or subtracting something, we have to put them separately. Exactly. Here is a, 2a, and here is only a. 2a plus 2a and only plus a. And here is plus 3b minus 3b. Okay. The same. The signs are same. So we have to add them. 2 plus 1. How many? 3a. And here? 0. So finally we got 3a. And here is whole square. I give the sign whole square. What does it mean? Square means? Sorry? We have to write the things in 2 times. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, and a multiply, what we will get? A square. When we are multiplying the variables, that time index will be plus. Here is 1, here is 1, 2. Okay. So finally the answer is 9a square, and this is the final answer. It seems so easy right now, right? Okay. Your homework is 2 number all. Already 5 maths are given in 2 number A to E. You have to do all the maths. If you face any problem, you can ask me anytime, no problem. Okay? Okay, dear students, thank you so much for joining the class.